Hello, this is Megabound Automatic V-Grooving Machine, which has just finished with installation and training at Roswell Binding, which is now Bindtech Roswell LLC, based out of Phoenix, Arizona. Here is Mr. Cortez Brown, who is heading the specialty division of binding and packaging at Roswell Binding. So let's have his feedback about this installation, training, and the product. Yes, Cortez, what do you think about this product when we were negotiating and it got delivered? What's your experience about that?
So far, negotiations went very well. I got all the information I needed, plenty of videos, and I think the overall process from a negotiation standpoint, we're good. We have a lot to offer. The speed of the machine's good, but again, very simple. The machine itself. From a negotiation standpoint, yeah, things were really good. As far as delivery, the overall delivery went well. Obviously, with the COVID situation, it is what it is, and we had to deal with that. But the flexibility you allowed, even during COVID, and be able to shift your schedules around was awesome. So we definitely much appreciated. And then as far as the machine goes itself, I'll speak on the simplicity of the machine. It's easy to work with. The training was awesome. Mr. Reddy did great. And definitely because of how easy the machine is to use, and because of the, I guess to an extent, the simplicity of the machine, it makes it very easy for almost any employee to learn the machine. That's all I have so far.
Great.
Okay.
So what do you think about the machine quality, its operation, and usability?
Usability is good. Very, very good. When I look at other machines that are out there that do similar operations, definitely for the price, the value you get, incredible. There isn't, my 2 cents is, there isn't anything better on the market that I've seen when it comes to this type of machine, for sure. Again, the quality of the grooves are perfect. We were able to make rigid boxes, especially, I don't have a liner in front of me, but especially when you fold the box and you look at the white liners or black liners inside, you don't see any gaps. And the knife sharpening tool is it's easy. I don't think you get any easier than this. So far, I would say with the suggestions that we've come up with and we talked about, I think it's good that you're able to take those suggestions, and the good thing is that some of them have already been implemented or already in the planning phase. So knowing that, and actually you guys saying, hey, we can go ahead and add those add-ons or whatever, that knowing those are available is huge for us, because it gives us more versatility. Besides, the machine itself gives us versatility as well. So another thing too, the multiple blades you can run on here. You can run multiple blades up, I think we have 5 right now. Being able to run the 20 millimeter is huge for what we produce here. This will definitely help us in the future win more jobs.
So overall, you give us a complete thumbs up.
Yes, maybe even 2.
Wow. Thank you, and we look forward to cementing our relationship for a long-term business, mutually fruitful business relationship.
Absolutely.
Thank you, Cortez.
Thank you.